Hello and welcome to Bitesize. My name's Pete. I'm joined today by special guest Steve Kelly from our thermal division. Today we're in our lab environment here in Plano, Texas to talk about an exciting Liebert product. What do we got today, Steve?
Thanks, Pete. Today we have a product called the Liebert DCD. This is a rear door heat exchanger. What you're looking at today is a passive design. We also have it available in an active design, and it's two sizes that it's available in. One is 35 kW and the other is 50 kW.
Awesome. And that's a really key point because the average heat load density for a server cabinet is about 7 to 10 kW. So this is obviously designed to be able to cool and reject the heat of a much higher capacities, 35 and 50 kW. So what's kind of the application for this? Why would you want to use a rear door heat exchanger versus a typical data center with a raised access floor with the cooling from the subfloor plenum?
Yeah, sure. So whether it's a co-location provider or an enterprise client, this product can be applied either as a supplemental cooling system, where you have high-density heat loads in a part of the data center or throughout the entire facility. So it gives the user a lot of flexibility in where and how they apply it. That's a big concern for a lot of customers because they don't want to be pigeonholed into having this deployed throughout an entire facility if the application doesn't require it.
And so what are some of the unique characteristics of the Liebert rear door heat exchanger versus some of the other rear door heat exchanger units out there on the market?
Yeah, so a couple of different ways that this product's available. One is chilled water, and the other one is pumped refrigerant. So depending on the environment and the client's application, we've got both of those options available. One of the things that Liebert spent a lot of time designing is this patented hinge design. Any user that deploys a rear door heat exchanger wants to have the confidence that they can open and close this door as many times as they want to without jeopardizing the integrity of that hinge joint. So we have truly isolated that hinge from the door system so that there's absolutely no movement in that hinge whatsoever in the connection of the piping to it. The other piece is this can be factory installed on a Vertiv IT rack, so we deliver it to a client as a single system, along with factory installed rack PDUs. So as it sits here, if the user wants to use this on other IT cabinets, they have the flexibility to install it and apply it on any other IT cabinet that they might have in their data center. So it gives them a lot of flexibility and adaptability to deploy it throughout their facility.
Great stuff. So that I think covers it for the rear door heat exchanger. Don't forget you can reach out to myself or Steve Kelly if you'd like to come to our lab environment here in Plano, Texas to see this unit or any of our other units in the flesh. Thanks for joining us on Bitesize, and we'll see you next time for the next installment. Cheers.